Today I'm going to be reviewing the doormat for the 8 LED under cabinet lighting. This is wireless lighting. It contains 15 colors, so you can do changeable 15 colors, and also it has 4 modes of that you can do. So you have 6 of these LED connectors lighting, and you also have 6 cable. You just connect it with the LED right here. You also have stickers so that you can stick it on top of the underneath the cabinet. You also have your remote control, and your remote control does use battery. The batteries doesn't come included with it, so it uses AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. So as you can see, this has a switch. There's a switch right over here, and this switch turns it on. So when you turn on the switch one time, it has just the plain white color. When you turn on the switch the second time, it can blink. So you also have blinking capability for it to change color. So I'm installing this, so you just kind of just put it like this, and it sticks right up there because of the adhesive. And we're gonna do it another one on this section, and it sticks really good. So the adhesive works really good, and all you just have to do is just turn on the switch on the side. So you can see when I turn it on one time, you see how it looks, and then if I turn it on another time, it does the blinking light. So it can change light, and I'm using my remote control to control the lighting. So it works really good. I absolutely love this. So I can change it to green, change to red, like that.